In today's world, enterprises are facing challenges like disjointed connectivity, unknown connection security, and poor application performance. Jessica is a flight attendant at FlyCorp Airline. She's an always-on-the-move, extreme user of mobile solutions. As she moves through the day using her devices, her online experiences do not always go smoothly, which makes it difficult to effectively do her job. For example, she starts a WebEx call while commuting to the airport in a taxi. As Jessica reaches the drop-off section of the airport, the LTE connection is dropped, and the call with her crew is frustratingly interrupted. She is forced to manually connect to airport Wi-Fi to continue her work. To finalize the preparation of her upcoming flight, she then has to start a VPN to access the flight plan on FlyCorp's network. As Jessica boards the airplane, she loses connection to airport Wi-Fi. She cannot connect to the VIP application due to poor connection to the public mobile network within the airplane. In order to fix these recurring network friction points, Cisco introduces Anynet. Simplifying end users' lives starts with making Wi-Fi connections seamless and secure. This is called OpenRoaming, a standard developed by Cisco and now managed by the Wireless Broadband Alliance. OpenRoaming makes Wi-Fi as simple to use as mobile networks today. If you are near a Wi-Fi network and the access provider authorizes it, you are connected and authenticated. This is made possible by the introduction of an identity provider that will identify the user in the background together with the access provider. At Cisco, our private 5G solution and UDC gateway make it easy and manageable for enterprises to deploy their private 5G network, with or without a service provider, while monitoring the level of services they provide from within their enterprise network console. This capability opens connectivity opportunities like never before. It could, for example, allow an enterprise to enable or disable a privately owned spectrum range for an employee at home, if the regulator allows it, thereby extending the private 5G network of the enterprise to remote users. Moreover, the enterprise will be able to configure, deploy, and manage some of that traffic within Cisco DNA Center, drastically simplifying the management of these heterogeneous networks. Allowing users to leverage and roam between any of these networks around them, including Wi-Fi, LTE, 5G, public or private, is enabled by a solution called Hybrid ICN. Hybrid ICN is a fundamental evolution in the Internet architecture that can be implemented at the application or network layer. Among other benefits, it enables a device to use all the networks it is connected to transparently, so that an application is not aware that it's using a different network. In the case of real-time synchronous communication, like video, Hybrid ICN also reduces the bandwidth consumption by an order of magnitude compared to a traditional TCP/IP connection. Finally, enabling IT to build policies to manage which application will use which network while their users are mobile is the focus of the mobile SD-WAN solution. This solution replaces the traditional VPN connection of remote users by a participation to the enterprise SD-WAN. The device of a user becomes a micro-branch. This has two main benefits. It frees the enterprise of the VPN bottleneck, enabling work away from the office with more flexibility. From a security and economics perspective, the enterprise also gets control over how its application will get routed. Through direct internet access, through a secure internet gateway onto an on-premise application residing on its private data center. This is attained without any action or knowledge from the user. The deployment of these Anynet solutions will eliminate those non-productive challenges that Jessica faced on the earlier journey. Let's see how her day goes with Anynet deployed in the network. Now when she reaches the airport, her device automatically joins the airport Wi-Fi network. Her WebEx call seamlessly roams from the LTE network to Wi-Fi without interruption. Similarly, she accesses the flight plan application without having to start a VPN, but her traffic is still protected as before, and the app is managed on-prem. As Jessica enters the aircraft, her device automatically connects to the private 5G network of the airlines seamlessly. She can access her VIP application in an optimal way, ignoring that the application is accessed through a cloud security offering or any other access method that her IT department will have chosen. We believe that 5G will accelerate mobility, but it will have to work in conjunction with other access networks because that heterogeneity is here to stay. At Cisco, our strategy is to help deliver an improved connectivity experience seamlessly over any access network, while addressing the need to empower IT departments of enterprise customers to manage this new capability more securely and flexibly. Anynet allows users to transition seamlessly and securely to enable smoother application performance. Learn more at cisco.com/go/mobile.